Okay, so my name's Seung.
Mhm.
So I am Korean,
Oh, okay.
Australian. I have been living in Malaysia since
Oh,
2015. Yeah, 2015.
2015.
Almost 10 years now. So I'm actually married to a Malaysian. I have three kids. Currently on extended leave from work. I'm employed by Petronas, actually. So I'm an investment analyst. I work in the
Okay.
treasury department. So I'm basically
Mm.
researching on the economy, basically. For example, foreign exchange rates. I work a lot with at work. I work a lot with Excel. Excel. I mean, Excel is like not very much coding, but I think some of the logic is sort
Yeah.
of like also, the whole, tech right now is obviously
Mhm. Mm.
booming a lot. So
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm thinking, it's if there's any other industry that I would look is to future proof, right? Future proof
Mhm.
myself is probably tech,
Yeah.
and the best
Tech.
way to start off with tech is obviously coding. Not a specific end goal in mind apart from
Mhm.
what I told you just before. First, to upskill myself
Yeah.
and to know, you know, how to code. The career transition, you could sort of think of it as a goal. So yeah, so that's it. So hopefully, I can find something like I can leverage on my you know my skills previously as an investment analyst, as
Mm.
well as the skills that I'm learning
Yeah.
now to somehow find a niche
Uh-huh.
area.
Yeah.
Yeah. So far I'm okay. It's just that
Mhm.
because I have three kids, right? Sometimes, this past week, one of my
Mhm.
kids got influenza, so he was sick. Uh, so sometimes I have no choice but to skip lessons, and I have to catch up on it. I'm currently like lagging
Yeah.
behind on the projects a little bit. I think I have one or two left. Planning to finish that by this weekend. So yeah, so it's just personal obligations. It's
Was
good. It's good. I think it's good. I think it does meet up to
Mhm.
expectations because I mean, this is my first time doing like this sort of boot camp sort of. I chose Sigma School compared to other programs because it seemed a lot more
Mhm.
structured in terms of
Mhm.
how you teach it and stuff like that. So yeah, the
And
structure, yeah, it's
distracted.
very
Right.
easy to follow. I would say that they should start like they should start immediately. Yeah. Stop thinking about it. Even if it's not, even if
Mhm.
it's not, Sigma School. Definitely recommend Sigma
Yeah.
School, but
Yeah.
I think coding is less less
Mhm.
theory and more action. Because if you want the
Mhm.
radical computer science stuff, then
Yeah.
you go to university.